Hi everyone, it's Adam here again with another 2-minute wellness tip. Today, I want to talk about your triceps, your chest, particularly the lower chest, and we'll do some dips. If you don't have any equipment at home, you don't need a weight bench, you could do this on a chair, a dining room chair for example. But what I want you to do is think about, as we do this, to keep your back close to the chair, okay? A great upper body strengthener. So what I'm going to do is sit on the chair or the bench, whatever you have, walk the feet forward, keep my tailbone basically almost touching the bench. I can straighten my legs, or I can keep one knee bent, or I actually keep both knees bent to modify. If I don't need to modify, then I can cross one leg, lift, whatever, have my feet together, doesn't matter. I'm slowly going to lower down, keep my elbows close and not going too low, okay? Touching the floor is too low, shoulders about elbow height. And then I'm going to press up and not lift forward. And lower and press. Inhale as I go down, exhale as I go up. Keeping the elbows squeezing in, exhale. One more here, pressing, and then when I'm done, I can sit on my chair. Okay, great exercise for the triceps, great exercise for the front of the shoulders and the lower part of the chest. Try to keep the elbows in, try not to lift the hips as you go down. Okay, enjoy, and I'll see you next time.